Hi boys and girls, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and scan the video and listen to the story Encyclopedia of Places. After you listen to the story, you are going to take a picture on Seesaw of your favorite place. I took a picture of the beach because I'm going to write about the beach and I want to remember the information that I learned. Pause the video and take your picture. Make sure you leave the book for your friends because there's only one copy. So take a picture and leave it for your friends to use so they can take their picture. Today, we want to focus on adding adjectives to our writing. I like to call them sparkle words. They make our writing more interesting. We are going to focus on using descriptive words in our writing, also known as adjectives or sparkle words. This part of your rubric. You need two things for this activity. You need this paper and you need your expert writing fix-it-up checklist. Pause the video and get your materials. You might be wondering, what's a topic sentence? A topic sentence tells your audience what the whole writing is about. Are you ready for my topic sentence? Remember, I'm writing about the beach because that was my favorite place in the book. You can find many things at the beach. Man, that's kind of boring. I want to add a sparkle word. How can I add a sparkle word to that? You can find many things at the beach. How about you can find many interesting things at the beach? That's way better. I love adding sparkle words to my writing. Let's move on to fact 1. We have to write 3 facts about the beach. Or maybe you chose the desert or the tundra, but I'm choosing the beach. Let me do my first fact. The beach has sand. I need some sparkle words in that sentence. Oh, the beach has soft sand. That's way better, way more interesting. What you're going to do is you're going to add your next fact. I'm not going to do mine because I don't want anyone copying my writing. Then you'll add your fact number 3. Remember, you're doing 3 facts. And then you're going to add your conclusion. And you might be wondering what a conclusion is. The conclusion is kind of the best part of your writing because you get to add how you feel about the topic you're writing about. I get to write how I feel about the beach. I couldn't write how I felt in the 3 facts because they're facts, but now I get to write my opinion for the conclusion, how I feel about the beach. Are you ready to find out? Beaches are so beautiful. Did you like that I added a sparkle word? Beautiful? Beaches are so beautiful. That's very interesting. I love using descriptive words. Now you're going to go ahead, make sure you have a topic sentence, your 3 facts, and your conclusion. And then at the end, you are going to use your fix-it-up checklist and make sure you have all these details. You can add a picture on the back of your paper, a nice detailed picture. You can add a title at the very top or the back if you don't have room. I cannot wait to read your writings. Have fun!